Hello everyone, welcome to Preschool Fun Learn. I hope all are safe at their own places. Please guys, stay inside and stay safe. So today, as you can see the title, we'll talk about three-letter blending CVC word with vowel A and E sound in this video. So before we move forward with three-letter blending, I want to quickly recap the 2 or 3 videos which we have done previously, letter sounds and two-letter blend. So first step, to read phonetically, we have taught the letter sounds to our child like E, B, K, D. So this practice we have completed with our child. Then we have moved to the second stage, that is two-letter blending. This is vowel A and this is consonant C, V, like be, like this is D and A, de. So these are the activities which we have already done. हमने इस बेसिस पे बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज करी थी, लेटर साउंड्स एंड टू लेटर ब्लेंडिंग. अगर वो वीडियोस आपने नहीं देखे हैं उनका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में है. प्लीज गाइस चेक आउट दोज वीडियोस. वो एक्टिविटीज बहुत अच्छी हैं, बच्चे इजीली ब्लेंडिंग सीख जाएंगे एंड देन वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड टू दी थ्री लेटर ब्लेंडिंग. सो if you have not subscribed to my channel or if you are new to my channel, please वीडियो को लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, कमेंट करिए एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए, रेड बेल आइकन को हिट करिए सो दैट आपको वीडियो सर्च ही ना करना पड़े, ऑलरेडी नोटिफिकेशन आप तक अपने आप पहुंच जाए. सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो. So this is our first activity, board game for the three-letter blending CVC word with vowel A and E. इस एक्टिविटी को स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगेन वी हैव टू डू अ प्रैक्टिस विद आवर चाइल्ड फॉर टू लेटर वर्ड्स. लाइक हम ये 2 लेटर्स जब बच्चे को शो करेंगे, दे शुड हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ स्पीकिंग इट डायरेक्टली टुगेदर. लाइक B and A together says be, D and E de, then C and A ke, then S and A se, then F and E fe, then H and E he. So this practice you need to do with your child so that two letter words की practice बच्चे को हो जाएगी. Then we can do this game, board game for 3 letter words with the child. Like you can see, I have drawn a snake shape on the paper and you can see a dice. Then what we can do is we can roll the dice and we can say to the child that the teddy bear will going to sit in the house only if they will read the word which is written inside the house. Now let me show you how. Now in the game, suppose the child roll the dice like this and here comes 1. So this will come and sit in the first box and the first box reads B, A and G. B, A and G. So you should make this a habit for the child that they should read first 2 letters together and then the third letter. Like हमें बच्चे को ये पता है that these 2 letters sounds be, B-A, be, and the sound of G is G. So be, G. So the 3 letter word reads bag, be, G, bag, right? Suppose now child again rotates the dice like this and here comes 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now this box reads F, A and N. So our child knows that F and A together is fe and N is n. So this makes fen, fe, n, fan. So this is 3 letter CVC blending. Again, suppose you roll the dice like this and it comes 6 and 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here comes M-A-T. So M-A and T. M-A together me and T is T, me, T, mat. So interesting children. I am pretty sure that child will going to enjoy this activity because इसमें hand eye coordination का use है. So it will help in the fine motor skill development of our child and this will also help in pronouncing the 3 letter words very easily for the child. So like this, you can practice this board game for different vowels A, E, I, O and U. And like this, you can make your child learn lot of words with A, E, I, O and U. Now moving to our next activity. After this board game activity, our next activity is complete the fish. In this, what we have to do is, you can see one hole in the fish. Then child have to complete this fish with the help of these strips on which some letters are written, and child will going to read the complete word. Like you can see, I have written 2 letters on the fish, B and A. You can write different letters with vowels A, E, I, O, U. We can write B, E, B, I, B, A, and like that we can complete the activity. Let me show you how. So children, this fish is very unhappy. You know why? Because this fish have only 2 letters and 1 hole. So what we have to do is, we have to fill this hole with the 3rd letter so that we can read one complete word with 3 letters and the fish will be happy. Now see, now this strip says the letter is D, fits into the hole. So B, A, D. B, A reads be, and D is D. So complete word bed, bad. Right? Now fish is happy. Now moving to the next letter. Now next letter is G. G comes into the hole. So G sound is G. So bag, bag. Now next is N. N sound is N. So ban, ban. Very good. Now next letter in the hole is T. So T letter sound T. Bat, bat. Very good. So we have practiced the A vowel letter. How many letters we have practiced? 4 letters. Okay. Enjoy. Now let's do the same activity with the next vowel, that is E. Now generally it is seen that there is a confusion between A sound and the E sound. A reads A. The sound should come from inside, right? And E reads A, simple from the mouth. So now this is BE. This is not be. Be is for BA. This is BE, which says be, right? So now let's complete the whole and make the fish happy, children. Okay, now we will go to this strip, and here comes the letter D, which reads D. So bed, bed, right? Now next letter comes the G, which sounds G, be, G, beg. Then N, which says N, be, N. Then T for T, be, T, bit, right? So this is the activity for vowel E. So we have seen the same activity, same letter for A and for E also. Now we can rub the 2 letter words from the fish. We can write the new letters like I have written C and A, which reads ca. Now let's complete the fish. Now here comes the letter B. So ca, b, cab. Now here comes the next letter N. Ca, n, can. Now here comes the next letter T. Cat, cat. Right? Now next CVC combination, that is DA, da. Okay? And in the whole, here it is B, that is B. Da, b, dab. Okay? Now D, which says D. So da, d. Now G, which says G. Da, g. Now M, da, m. So these are the different combinations. So you can make these kinds of different strips with consonant, and you can practice CVC combination for different vowels, for different words. And with the help of this activity, our child will going to learn different combination of letters and will going to practice the pronunciation or English speaking of different letters. Now comes the next activity. Like you can see, there are different shapes on which I have written some 2 letter combinations, single letter combinations like this. and what they have to do is our child have to sort these shapes and they have to complete the shape. This is a very nice activity targeting the fine motor skills, because our child will going to see the same type of shapes, will going to arrange it and make a complete shape, and after making a complete shape they're going to read the 3-letter words written on it. Now come on, let's begin with this interesting activity. Now in this activity what I have done is I have cut down the shapes into 2 pieces. Our child have to sort the same shapes. They can easily recognize the color and shape and they're going to sort it. Now let me show you how. Okay, now suppose this is yellow color. Child will going to place it like this. First of all, child will going to place all the yellow color objects like this. Then these 2 shapes are looking similar, isn't it? So child will going to fit in like this. Yay! It's a cake. Wow! Now cake reads R-A, ra, and N says N. So this is ran, right? Now this is the zigzag line. Now any zigzag line over here? Yes, here it is. So our child will going to fit like this. Oh wow, this zigzag line makes the ice cream, and the ice cream reads M-A, ma, and N says N. So it is man. Very good. Now what is this? I think it's a candy. Now the other part of the candy is here. Very good. Now we'll make it completed like this, and it says M-A, ma, and D is D. So it is mad. Very good. Now I can see one more cake piece over here. Now the other half portion is, here it is, pink color cake. Wow, cherry on the top. Now M-A, ma, and T is T, mat. Now similarly the remaining shapes. Oh wow, what is this? I think it's a wow, lollipop. Very nice. And what does it read? It says R-A, ra, and T is T, rat. This is green color now. The remaining part, yes, these are the waves. Child will going to place it like this. J, and T is T, jet, right? And this is green color. Remaining green portion is over here. Now ved. Now this is pink color, and remaining pink color is over here. So child will going to set like this, and this is set. Very good. Ab kya bacha? This is gay, and this is orange color, right? Now this is get, and this is R-E, ray, and this is D, red. Wow, so many different shapes. By this activity we can teach different shapes also, like this is triangle, this is square, rectangle, and circle, diamond, and different kinds of objects like I have created. So this activity is very useful for the child, and child will going to enjoy this activity. You can make n number of combination of these words. You can cut it into 2 parts, and child will going to organize it. So it will be a game for the child, and child will going to learn the CVC words very easily. So I hope you all have enjoyed these activities. Complete the fish, boarding game, and complete the shapes. And I hope that these activities are equally liked by our children also. So if you have liked my video and if you find it useful, please like the video, comment in the section below, and do subscribe my channel. Press the subscription button, press the red bell icon so that you can easily get the notification of my video. Thank you for watching.